What do you call passing through a country without staying? Is it A. Transit, B. Excursion, C. Visa, or D. Sightseeing?
Hi everyone! Welcome to Lingo Ladder! In this video, you'll learn new words, test yourself with a quick quiz, and enjoy a short story using everything you've learned. Let's get started! Part 1. New words.
1. Itinerary, a planned schedule of a trip. 2. Accommodation, a place to stay during a trip. 3. Reservation, booking a place or ticket in advance. 4. Departure, the act of leaving. 5. Arrival, the act of reaching a place. 6. Customs, security check when entering a country. 7. Destination, the place you are traveling to. 8. Sightseeing, visiting interesting places. 9. Adventure, an exciting experience or trip. 10. Backpacker, a traveler with a big backpack. 11. Hostel, a cheap place to stay, often shared. 12. Transit, passing through a place on the way. 13. Excursion, a short trip or outing. 14. Visa, official permission to enter a country. 15. Cruise, a vacation trip on a ship. 16. Embark, to go onto a ship or airplane. 17. Disembark, to leave a ship or airplane. 18. Layover, a short stop between flights. 19. Jet lag, tiredness after long flights across time zone. 20. Nomadic, moving from place to place. 21. Expatriate, someone living outside their native country. 22. Repatriate, to return to one's home country. 23. Wanderlust, a strong desire to travel. 24. Voyage, a long journey, especially by sea. 25. Stewardess, a female flight attendant. 26. Concierge, a hotel staff member who assists guests. 27. Charter, to rent a plane, boat, or bus for private use. 28. Itinerary adjustment, change in travel schedule. 29. Expedition, a journey with a specific purpose. 30. Tourism industry, the business of providing travel services.
Awesome job! Before we jump into the quiz, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's go! Correct answer is itinerary. Correct answer is reservation. Correct answer is destination. Correct answer is hostel. Correct answer is sightseeing. Correct answer is adventure. Correct answer is backpacker. Correct answer is departure. Correct answer is visa. Correct answer is excursion. Correct answer is customs. Correct answer is accommodation. Correct answer is transit. Correct answer is cruise. Correct answer is arrival. Correct answer is embark. Correct answer is disembark. Correct answer is wanderlust. Correct answer is voyage. Correct answer is repatriate. Correct answer is expatriate. Correct answer is stewardess. Correct answer is concierge. Correct answer is charter. Correct answer is itinerary adjustment. Correct answer is expedition. Correct answer is tourism industry. Correct answer is layover. Correct answer is jet lag. Correct answer is nomadic. Awesome! Great job! Now let's go to part 3, the short story. We'll use the words we've just learned. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Ready? Let's go!
John always wanted to travel, so he planned his itinerary carefully before his departure. He made a reservation at a nice accommodation in the city center and checked his visa. When he arrived at the destination, he was very excited. At the hotel, the helpful concierge gave him ideas for an excursion to the coast. On the way, he met Sarah, a friendly traveler with the strong wanderlust. She had just finished a long voyage and was feeling jet lag from her flight. Sarah had lived a nomadic life for many years, moving from place to place. She and John decided to travel together. They joined a sightseeing group and later took a small cruise on the water. During a layover at a small port, they met a happy backpacker who invited them on a mountain adventure. They also met an expatriate who had lived abroad for years and was planning to repatriate. One day they booked a charter boat to explore nearby islands, but due to bad weather, they had to disembark early. This caused an itinerary adjustment, but they didn't mind. Instead of their original plan for an expedition, they stayed at a local hostel during transit and talked about how amazing the tourism industry was. At the airport customs, John showed his documents and smiled. Before saying goodbye, they promised to meet again. This trip made their love for travel even stronger.
Thank you for watching Lingo Ladder. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Keep stepping up your English skills. See you soon!